do these 4 blunders in your modular kitchen in 2020. First off, lighting. Ever noticed how a well-lit kitchen just feels better? It's not just about style, it's about safety while chopping and cooking. So bright task lights over your counters and ambient lighting for your whole kitchen, that's your ticket to a vibrant cooking space. Next up, the kitchen triangle. This isn't a geometry class, but it's just as important. Your fridge, sink and stove should be set up in a neat, reachable triangle. It's all about making your kitchen move smooth and efficient, saving you time and hassle. Moving on to something we often forget, that is ventilation. Trust me, no one likes a smoky kitchen or those stubborn food smells. A good range hood is your best friend here. It sucks up all the smoke and odors and making your kitchen air as fresh as you're cooking. You can DM me for suggestions of hob and chimneys. And here's a big one, accessibility. Ever struggle to reach those top shelves? A kitchen should be as easy for everyone to use. Think ergonomic designs, cabinets and appliances at comfortable heights, easy to use handles and practical layouts. This way, your kitchen is welcoming and usable for all, no matter their height or ability. These smart tips will help you create a kitchen that are not just beautiful, but a joy to cook in. And keep following me for more such insights and also to transform your spaces.